Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how can you clear your iPhone RAM memory. For first method, all you have to do is to go to setting, scroll down to accessibility, go to touch, then go to assistive touch and enable assistive touch. Now press volume up, volume down, press and hold the power button. Open assistive touch menu. Press and hold the home button until it goes to lock screen. Enter your passcode. This is the oldest way. For the second methods, all you have to do is open App Store. Search for CPU X, link in the description. Download it. Open CPU X. Go to memory. Tap on free up memory and wait few seconds. Press OK. You can see that it has more free up RAM memory. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.